Subscribe to Rohit Dange channel and press that bell icon to get notification related to technology right into your notification squad.
Hey, hi guys, I'm back with another video. This video is something different about all this video because today I'm going to do the unboxing as you have been seen in the stories. If you don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram handle. Go and follow me there because to watch my stories behind what I'm going to post next on the YouTube. So today we are unboxing this beast. This is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Okay, Redmi Note 5 Pro, which comes with an 4GB and 64GB. I like this variant, okay, which comes in the black, and yeah, it has some special features and it's really a beast. He's the bad boy. Okay, moving on to this phone comes with an MIUI 9 with, and it also has an 4000 massive battery. So without wasting any time, let's move on for this unboxing. So hi guys, this is Rohit Dange. You're watching my channel Rohit Dange. I make videos on PC tips and tricks, gadget reviews, mobile unboxing, just like this one. And if you're new here, consider subscribing over there. So here was all the video about how I unboxed this video. Like, yeah, something or the different I like in this phone. If you like this video for any other reason, give this video a like and do comment your queries in the comment box. And once again, thank you everyone for my 1000 subscribers, for your milestone I have completed within 5 months. Okay, the 5 months was very long for me. For some other people it is a really very small journey, for some other people it's really very big journey, and I have completed in within 5 months. So it's really an overwhelming response to me from you all guys, and I have reached 50,000 views for how to apply for a PAN card. If you haven't watched the video, this is I button, click on that I button, top right corner, you will see that video. Okay, and that's it. If you like this video, give this video a like. So with that being said, I'm Mr. Rohit Dange. I'm signing off for the reason. Goodbye.